Sensory awareness. When a baby is brought into a home, both cats and dogs can detect the changes in scent, sounds, and routines. They may notice the new presence and the attention given to the baby. Curiosity and exploration. Pets are naturally curious. They might investigate the new smells, sounds, and movements associated with the baby. Cats might approach cautiously, while dogs might show more excitement. Observation of interactions. Cats and dogs are observant of human behavior. They'll notice the way their owners interact with the baby, holding, feeding, and caring for them. This can help them understand that the baby holds a special place in the household. Associations. Over time, pets can associate the baby's presence with positive or negative experiences. For example, if the baby brings attention, treats, or rewards, pets might view the baby more positively. Protective instincts. Some pets, especially dogs, might develop protective instincts towards the baby. They may become more vigilant or exhibit behaviors that show they perceive the baby as a vulnerable member of their pack. Adjustment period. Cats and dogs might need time to adjust to the new family dynamics. Changes in routines, attention, and potential disturbances can impact their behavior. Consistent and gradual introductions can help ease this adjustment. Ongoing socialization. Continued positive interactions between pets and the baby, as well as positive reinforcement from the owners, can strengthen the bond between them. It's important to ensure that interactions are supervised and safe for both the baby and the pets. Individual variation. Each pet is unique. Some may be more accepting and gentle around babies, while others might be more cautious or aloof. Past experiences, breed traits, and personality play a role in how they respond. In summary, while pets may not fully understand the concept of human offspring, they can certainly sense and adapt to the changes a new baby brings to the household. Patient and positive interactions, along with proper supervision, can help create a harmonious environment for pets and the new baby.